It's essential that every page have a table of contents. This serves two purposes. First, it helps your users navigate your page easily. They can quickly see what interests them and go to that section without having to spend time looking for it. The pages we are building here are fairly long, and it has to be easy to quickly see the main contents of the page. Second, it can help your secondary keyword phrases rank a lot better. In fact, this is the main reason why we use the table of contents on our pages. Our pages are designed such that every secondary keyword appears in the table of contents. You want every secondary keyword to be enclosed in H3 tags for this to work. If a secondary keyword is not in a H3 tag, it will not appear in the table of contents, and consequently, it will not rank as high as it otherwise would. Let's see how to add a table of contents to our page using Thrive Content Builder. The table of contents is just another element, and all you have to do is drag and drop the TOC element to wherever you want it to appear on the page. You would want to position this element after the first 2 or 3 paragraphs. You do not want to position this at the very top of the page. Initially, there may be nothing here, but click on the element and choose Update, and the TOC will be updated. Let's now set the max width of this element to 500 pixels, and let us center this. It looks better this way. As you can see, all of the secondary keywords are already in the table of contents. You do not have to do anything more to add any of these. Let's save the changes and preview the page. This is how the page appears now. All of these are hyperlinks. If you click on any of these links within the table of contents, you will be taken to that section of the page.